Imagine the vibrant allure of the rainforest right in your living room. Picture the lush greens of the jungle, the fiery reds of exotic blooms, the soft purples of rare orchids, all thriving in your own personal space. From the dense forests of the Amazon to the arid landscapes of the Sahara, you can bring the wonders of the world into your home. Diverse, exotic, and captivating, these plants can be your everyday companions. Welcome to exotic plants you can easily grow at home. Exotic plants do more than just beautify your surroundings. They bring a host of benefits that can transform your living space and well-being. These vibrant additions to your home are not just about color and flair, they are also powerful air purifiers. They absorb harmful toxins in the air and release fresh oxygen, making your environment cleaner and healthier. But the benefits don't stop there. These plants also hold tremendous aesthetic appeal. Their unique shapes, colors, and textures bring a sense of the extraordinary into your everyday life, adding a touch of the tropics to your personal space. And let's not forget the psychological benefits of gardening. Tending to these exotic wonders can be a source of relaxation and satisfaction. It's a hobby that engages the senses, reduces stress, and promotes a sense of achievement. These benefits are just the beginning. Now, let's delve into the world of exotic plants. Opening. Meet the stars of your indoor tropical paradise. As we journey into the heart of your future indoor jungle, let's get acquainted with some of the most captivating exotic plants you can easily nurture at home. These botanical wonders, with their unique colors, textures, and forms, can transform any living space into a tropical haven. First on our list is the bird of paradise. This plant, with its strikingly beautiful crane-like flowers, hails from the coastal regions of South Africa. To care for this plant, ensure it gets plenty of indirect sunlight. It prefers a well-drained soil mix and requires watering only when the top inch of soil feels dry. Here's an interesting tidbit. The bird of paradise plant gets its name from its vibrant bird-like flowers that seem to be in flight. Next, we have the orchids, a diverse and widespread family of flowering plants with blooms that are often colorful and fragrant. Orchids prefer bright, indirect light and a well-drained potting mix. Water them sparingly, once a week is usually enough. Did you know that orchids have the largest variety of flowers with over 25,000 species spread across the globe? Our third plant is the bromeliad. Native to the tropical Americas, bromeliads are known for their stunning foliage and vibrant flowers. These plants prefer bright, indirect sunlight and well-drained soil. Water your bromeliad by filling the cup at the base of its leaves and allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Interestingly, bromeliads are epiphytes, which means they can grow without soil, often on other plants or trees. Moving on, let's meet the Venus flytrap, one of the most popular carnivorous plants. This fascinating plant captures its prey, mostly insects, with a trapping structure formed by the terminal portion of its leaves. This exotic plant prefers a sunny spot, but it can also thrive under fluorescent lights. It requires a nutrient-free soil mix, and it's best to water it with distilled water or rainwater. One fun fact about Venus flytraps is that they can count the number of times their prey touches their trigger hairs, helping them distinguish between a potential meal and a false alarm. Last but not least, we have the alocasia, also known as the elephant ear plant due to its large heart-shaped leaves. Alocasias are native to tropical and subtropical Asia and eastern Australia. They prefer a humid environment, bright indirect light, and a well-drained soil mix. Water your alocasia when the top 2 inches of soil are dry. An intriguing fact about alocasias is that they are capable of moving their leaves to face the sun for maximum light absorption. Each of these plants brings a touch of the exotic to your home, but remember, they require a little more care and attention than your average houseplant. But with patience and care, these tropical beauties can thrive right in your living space, bringing you joy and a sense of accomplishment. In the end, growing exotic plants at home isn't just about adding a touch of lush, tropical beauty to your surroundings. It's about experiencing the joy of nurturing life, learning about different species, and creating a serene, inviting environment that is uniquely yours. Closing. With the right care, these exotic beauties can thrive right in your home. Let's embark on a hands-on journey with your exotic plants. First, we're diving into the potting process. It's all about the right blend of soil. A well-draining mix with a dash of compost works wonders for most exotic plants. Now let's talk pots. A pot with adequate drainage is key to prevent overwatering. Next up, size matters. Choose a pot that's just right for your plant, not too big, not too small. You've got your soil, you've got your pot, now let's get to potting. Gently place your plant in the pot and cover the roots with soil. Remember, don't pack the soil too tight. Finally, positioning. Sunlight requirements vary, so place your plant somewhere it can bask in the right amount of light. Some exotic plants love a sunlit corner, others prefer the shade. With these tips, you're ready to start potting. Meet our proud plant parents who have successfully grown their own exotic plants. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing a bird of paradise bloom for the first time, or the thrill of watching a Venus flytrap in action. It's not just about the plants, it's about the journey. And we've had some incredible journeys shared by our viewers. From orchids to bromeliads, these stories inspire us all to keep growing, keep exploring. So what's your story? Join our community of exotic plant enthusiasts. Your home is just a plant away from becoming an exotic paradise. Imagine the joy of watching your bird of paradise bloom or the excitement of seeing your Venus flytrap in action. All of this, right in your living room. It's an adventure waiting to happen, and it starts with a single seed, a pot, and a little love. So why wait? Dive into the world of exotic plants and transform your space. Share your own exotic plant journey with us, and grow your green oasis today.